Welcome back to staraspectdesigns. This week we are looking at a modern 4-bedroom bungalow. This is a bungalow that appears to have a flat roof, but indeed it is a sloping roof within a parapet wall. Now this is a strategy to actually reduce the construction cost while having the modern flat roof appearance. You can also have a modern look with a sloping roof, but frankly, this style has really caught my eye. We have different heights in different rooms. I actually made the lounge have a 1.5 height that is 50% more than the other rooms. It's a grand lounge, and we want it to appear to actually embrace the grandness. That is why you see the difference in heights between the lounge section and the other sections. Now, this is the model itself. That is what you see there. This is the double volume I was talking about, the 1.5 actually, it's not double 1.5. Then you go here, this is the entry porch. That is the car garage. You can choose to have it covered or just leave it open. The choice is yours. And this is the roof I was talking about. It has the semblance of a flat roof, but it has indeed a sloping roof with a parapet wall. This is the back of the house. That's the kitchen yard right there. So once you get into the entryway, that is what you see. And once you enter, you have this foyer here where you can leave your shoes and your keys and everything. And then you get into the lounge. Now, as I was saying, this lounge here is a double volume, a 1.5 volume, sorry. And that is what you have. It is a pretty spacious lounge, which, as I've noticed these days as Africans, well, we like having guests, and you require the space. So that is the lounge. Then, as you can see here, as you move forward, this is the door that leads to the guest bedroom. Now the guest bedroom is right there. It is en suite. That is what you have with the bathroom. You can have a TV on this wall, or maybe a dresser, anything you want to have. And after that, you enter into the kitchen. Now the kitchen is an open plan kitchen where you have this breakfast counter out right there. Now this section here, this small section here, is for the washing machine and dryer. And then right here you have your pantry. From the kitchen, the open design makes the kitchen directly opposite to the dining room. And that is what you have for the dining room. So on this side of the house, you have the corridor that leads into the other rooms. You have an office at this door. You have one bedroom there. The master bedroom is directly off there. You have a cloakroom there, shared bathroom, and the other bedroom. Let's see on the bird's eye view. So that is it. From the kitchen and dining, you enter into this corridor. As you can see there, you have your office. You can choose to make this room anything really. It can be an office, it can be a gym, it can be a store. The choice is yours. Then you have this bedroom 01. That is what you have there. So this is a sort of tight bedroom for the kids or maybe a guest. And then also here you have another bedroom. And these two bedrooms, they do share this particular bathroom here. And then, as I mentioned, this here is the cloakroom to be used by guests. And then the general utility sink is out here. And then the sink for the cloakroom is in there. And then, as I stated, as you proceed, at the corridor here, you have some storage space. And as I always say, you can never have enough storage. So this is maybe like a shoe rack. And then you enter into the master bedroom. And that is what you have there. So that is the master. With some seating space and a dresser in between there. And then as we proceed here, you have the master bathroom. You have the sink there, the toilet, and then here you have the shower cabin and also a bathtub. Because why not? Luxury is the key. So that is the house. So when you look at it in totality, that is what you see. Comments are welcome. Please let me know what you would do differently to improve this design, or what you like about the design, so that we can educate ourselves more. So that is it for today. I look forward to having you in the next video. If you liked this one, please share, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, live large.